So heterogeneous networks for the future, they need to have coordinated cells. So the new small cells that we're adding needs to be coordinated with the existing cells, the macros, the micros, and the existing grid. And the reason for that is that they're all using the same spectrum. So we want to conserve spectrum, and therefore when we add smaller cells in the same frequency band, geographically the same area, they need to have close coordination. And the gains can be very significant. In urban areas, typically 2 to 3 times, which is very, very important. And this is how you add the small cells in a heterogeneous network. Of course, you still have to work with more spectrum, adding more spectrum. You still need to work with the technology itself, with more advanced macros and micros, further sectorization. You do MIMO, you do carrier aggregation, you do comp. There are all kinds of technologies that also provide a significant enhancement to the capacity. But when we're taking the step to moving into more dense networks with more small cells, they need to be coordinated to the rest of the network. And this is true not only for the existing spectrum, this is true for all new spectrum. In fact, it's also true for the need to coordinate between licensed spectrum and unlicensed spectrum for Wi-Fi. So all of this should come together in a spectrum pool and be managed from one and the same heterogeneous network controller, which has to be coordinated.